Hi, good morning, children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you all are safe. Yes, before going to the topic, I want to say you some of exercise. Be ready, students. Everyone, stand, jump, stop, 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 jump, stop. Raise your hands. Put your hands down. Hands up. 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 Put your hands down. Stop. Sit in your place. Take out your textbook. Children, previous class what you learned? Additions. How to add the money. Yes. Now you should learn subtract. How to subtract the money. See? Subtract. Rupees 99.99 minus rupees 11.10 paisa. Okay. See what you have to do. What you have to do? First of all, you should draw the column. Two columns. As one is paisa, another is first is rupees. After that paisa column. As should draw two columns. See, rupees column, paisa column. This is point. See, in these two columns. See ma, what is that rupees? 999.999 paisa. S minus rupees 11.10 paisa. Okay. What you have to do? First minus you should do. Paisa column you should do minus. After that rupees column. Understood? See, 0 minus 5. See here 9 is here. In the 9, 0 should minus. Yes, 9 only. Here 9, 1 should minus. In the 9, 1 should minus means what you have to do? 1 after up to 9 you should count. Yes, 1 after. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers came? 8 fingers. That 8 you should write here. Here also same. 1 after up to 9 you should count. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers came? 8 fingers. That 8 you should write here. Here also 1 after up to 9 you should count. Yes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers came? 8. What is that answer? 88 rupees, 88.89 paisa. Understood, children? Next, B1. Rupees 66.70 minus rupees 24.50 paisa. Okay. Again, first of all, what you have to do, you should draw the column. Rupees, paisa. Okay. Again, see, rupees, 66 rupees, 0.70 paisa. Rupee minus rupees 24.50 paisa. 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 5. 5 after up to 7 you should count. 5 after 6, 7. How many fingers? 2. The 2 you should write here. Here 4, here 6. 4 after up to 6 you should count. 4 after 5, 6. How many fingers? 2. The 2 you should write. Point. Point should write. Here 6, here 2. Yes. In the 6, 2 should minus. 2 after up to 6 you should count. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6. How many fingers came? 4. That 4 you should write here. What is that answer? Rupees 42.20 paise. Understood, children? Copy. Copy in the classwork, ma. Understood what I did? Few more sums I will give, okay? Copy. See, children, rupees 89.50 paisa minus rupees 58.40 paisa. First of all, you should draw the column. Rupees column, paisa column. Yes, rupees column. Rupees column, paisa column. Yes, here point column. See what is that? Rupees 89.50 paisa minus this minus symbol you should write here. Again rupees, what is that? 58 point this 40 you should write here. Understood? Now you should minus this 2. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. 4 after 5. Only one finger. Up to 4, 5 you should count now. 4 after 5. Only one finger. That one you should write. Point. Here 8 is here. Here 9 is here. Yes. In the 9, 8 should minus. 8 after up to 9 you should count. 8 after 9, only one finger. That one you should write here. Here 8, here 5 is there. Yes. 5 after up to 8 you should count. 5 after 6, 7, 8. How many fingers came? 3 fingers. That 3 you should write here. What is that answer? Rupees 31.10 paisa. Understood? Next. D1. Rupees 66.90 paisa minus rupees 54.50 paisa. Again column should draw. See, first of all, you should know the column how to draw. Okay. See, two columns. In that, rupees column, paisa column. Yes, rupees column, paisa column. Again, you should divide into, see, point column 1. Again, in the rupees column also, you should divide into ones place, tens place. Yes, ones place, tens place, you should divide. Again, now, rupees, see, 66 rupees, 0.90 paisa minus, this minus symbol, you should write here. Again, rupees 54.50 paisa. Yes. Again, what you have to do? You should minus this to this number. Yes. See, 66.90 paisa minus rupees 54.50 paisa. 0 minus 0, 0. In the 9, 5 should minus. 5 after up to 9 you should count. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers? 4 fingers. That 4 you should write here. Point. Again, in the 6, 4 should minus. 4 after up to 6 you should count. 4 after 5, 6. How many fingers? 2. That 2 you should write here. Here 6, here 5. 5 after up to 6 you should count. 5 after 6. Only 1 finger. What is that answer? Rupees 12.40 paisa. Understood, children? Copy in the classwork. Again, 2 more sums I will give you. Okay, right. How to write the draw the column first you should know. After that, you should write the numbers in that columns. After that, you should do addition and subtraction. Which sum we should do? You should see and you should do. Okay. Rupees 28.90 paisa minus rupees 15.50 paisa. See, first of all, you should draw the column. Draw properly column. Okay, 2 columns. Yes, rupees column, paisa column. Yes, in that, what is that? Point column also. Okay. In this rupees, ones place, tens place. In this paisa, ones place, tens place, you should draw. Yes. Now again. Little bit big because you have place. See. Now, what you have to do? You should see the number. Rupees 28. Rupees place which number is there? 28. 28 point. This point here. This 90 you should write in paisa place. Okay. Minus rupees 15.50 paisa. Okay. See here. 0 minus 0, 0. In the 9, 5 should minus. 5 after up to 9 you should count. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers? 4. That 4 you should write here. Here 8. See children? Here 0 minus 0, 0. In the 9 you should minus 5. Yes. 5 after up to 9 you should count. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers came? 4. That 4 you should write here. Here 8. In the 8 you should minus 5. 5 after up to 8 you should count. Yes. 5 after 6, 7, 8. How many fingers came? 3 fingers. The 3 you should write here. Here 2, here 1. In the 1 after up to 2 count. Yes, 1 after 2. Only 1 finger. What is that answer? Rupees 13.40 is the answer. 13 rupees 40 paisa is the answer. E. Rupees 87.60 paisa minus rupees 63.30 paise. See, rupees paisa. Again, see, rupees column, ones place, tens place, you should write column S. See, 87.60 paisa minus rupees 63.30 paisa. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 3. What you have to do? 3 after up to 6 you should count. 3 after 4, 5, 6. How many fingers came? 3. The 3 you should write here. Point. See. 3 after up to 7 you should count. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers came? 4. That 4 you should write here. Here 8, here 6. In the 8, 6 should minus. Yes. 6 after up to 8 you should count. 6 after 7, 8. How many fingers? 2 fingers. What is that answer? Rupees 24.30 paise. Understood? Copy in the classwork. You should copy in the classwork, ma. Children, see, drill time. Second bit is the homework. Okay, you should do in the homework book. Drill time, second bit. Subtract is then that bit you should write in the homework and you should do the sums. Okay, that is your homework, children. Please do it. Practice well. You should practice. Understood? Practice.